Hey everyone, new for 2019, we've got a different size of fish scale towel. The one that we brought in last year was 24 inches by 34 inches. People love the towel for its absorbency and cleaning power. However, they said that size was a little bit hard to manage. So we've got a much better, easy, convenient size by popular demand. They're 16 inches by approximately 24 inches long. A lot easier to deal with, handle, and like I say, the Fishscale diamond pattern here makes more absorbent and better cleaning power than traditional microfiber glass polishing cloths. And you can use them on basically any smooth surface, really. Really good cleaning cloth. The best news though, for 2019, not only do we have this more convenient size, we have a way better price than we had from last year. We worked hard to negotiate with a local importer to get these in volume, and so you're going to see a significant price difference on our website as well. You can buy them as singles. You can buy them as a 10-pack in bags of 10, say 15%. I think that'll make a pretty sweet deal for most of you guys, especially who have employees. So check us out, thewindowcleaningstore.com. The Fishscale towels, 16 inch by 24 inch. Better size, better price. Cheers.